when I was in the Philippines, I have always advocated. I have always told people, okay, if you really want, I said, I can show you. I can show you how to use it, what's the effect, you know, and what's gonna be the result. It's all there, you know. I can show everyone, and I think it still stands there, you know. It's still out there that if you really want to debate on it, okay,
let's debate.
Let's debate.
Let's do this.
Okay, or not really debate. Just
no, I have no problem. I have no problem debating.
Yeah, to tackle about it, about this, because we want the Filipino. We want the best for the Filipino people. Okay, especially most of them, they're sick. Okay, they're poor. They do not have the money.
Like for example, someone that is continuing the fight against the oppression from FDA is not only Congressman John Bertiz, but June Aguilar. I mean, these are guys that basically I'm gonna tell you guys how it is. They're being told by FDA, back off. Why are you doing this? Why are you continuing to come after us?
So thank you, Congressman Bertiz and Sir June Aguilar.
And they said, very much. What you did is wrong, and we're not going to stop fighting for the Philippine people to have their choice.
Okay, so thank you very much again to wrap this up. Thank you very much, Congressman Bertiz and Sir June Aguilar. Thank you for fighting for the
for the Filipinos,
for the choice to choose, natural medicine versus conventional medicine. This is not really a fight, you know. It's not really a fight. It's a choice. Just really to give choice to so many people. Kasi yun na naman ang kailangan natin. That's what we really want. Okay? For everyone, like with so many things in our life, you know, if we are being forced to do a certain things in our life that we do not want.
We just want the freedom to choose.
Yeah, so we just want the freedom to choose. And we are so happy because you are fighting for the Filipino people. Hello to all of the veterans, especially here in the US, you know. Thank you very much for fighting for the American people and for all the soldiers in the field. Yeah.
Well, not only the soldiers in the field, but let's never forget those Americans and Filipinos who fought and died for the freedom of the Philippines.
Yes, and also the OFWs, diba? For always.
Absolutely.
Yeah, you know, I cannot imagine being away with my family members.
As I've always said, I think that OFWs are the best of the Filipinos because imagine, if you will, how hard it is to have to leave your family, your husband or your wife and your kids to go to a foreign country just to work like a dog, you know, just to be able to provide for them. You know, that all that extended time away, you know, just so hard. So hard.
It is.